Okay, now let's take a start. This activity is what we call blast from the past. You will share something from your past that was a success or that was something good, something you enjoyed, something memorable, something unforgettable. It depends on you. Any achievement or any story from the past, right? We call it blast from the past, right? So you're just going to start like anything, whatever you want to. Any blast from the past, yeah.
Uh,
Past tense, second form of the verb.
when I was in my school days, uh, I one day I came to school. I was in seventh class.
Okay.
I came to school.
I went to school.
I went to school, uh, and it was assembly time, and everyone is every student, everybody was standing in the line
Okay. Everyone was standing in the queue.
in the queue. So I I went there and stand with
And
them.
I stood in the queue as well.
Stood in the queue as well. Um, when I was in the assembly, the principal came to me and said, "Your name is Ali Yasser?" I said, "Yes, my name is Ali Yasser." I don't know. I thought why he asked.
Yeah, I was thinking, why was he asking?
Why was he is asking my name?
Hmm.
Then he went to the stage and announced my name.
For
No. It's very
recitation?
interesting.
Okay.
He announced my name. We have he first thing he तारीफ किया?
Yeah, he appreciated me.
He appreciated me and he said he's very good student. It's very hardworking student. I said yes.
Okay.
I'm not
Good. And I was thinking, well, who is he talking about?
He's talking about.
Yeah.
And he said now.
Yeah, I'm not that
now we
person.
are introducing our student. His name Ali Yasser.
All right.
Why? I
Then?
said, this is me.
Okay.
Then I came to.
I went to the stage.
I went to the stage, and they gave me a brand new computer.
Very good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, they told me you are very hardworking student and very intelligent student. That's why we are giving.
Excellent.
This
This
is
is very good. You got that computer.
Yeah,
Well
computer.
done. Very good. Yes, please. Any blast from your past?
After before
Yeah, before.
before 2.5 years.
2.5 years ago.
Yes, this sad story.
Okay.
My husband was died,
Oh, passed away.
passed
My
away.
husband
yeah,
passed away. Very
passed
sad.
away. Then he was Saudi Arabia.
He was in Saudi
died.
Arabia.
He passed away in Saudi Arabia
All right. Sad.
2.5 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Then I was very sad.
I can understand that. Just relax, okay? Yes, things are in the hands of God.
This was time is very difficult for
I
me.
understand, yes. But you are lucky that you've got a supporting father and brother.
Yeah, brother,
They are
yeah.
all around you. Yeah, so things become difficult, especially when you are dependent. Because husband is someone you depend on and all that. Yeah. But don't worry, Allah Ta'ala will have something good for you. Right?
That
Inshallah.
I spend time with my children
Very
and
good.
with my work.
Okay, this
Yes.
is good. This is good.
This.
Wish you good luck. Inshallah, things will be fine for you. Yes, please.
When I am 19 years old.
When I was,
When I was.
sir, you're going to marry again, eh?
When-
I am 19 years old. Huh? When I was.
When I was.
Yes, thank you.
When I was 19 years old,
Okay.
once upon I am because I am 16, my father is died.
Okay, when I was 16,
My
my father
father
passed away.
passed away.
Passed away is proper word.
Passed away.
With respect, you say
Yes,
passed away.
passed
When
away.
I was 16, my father passed away.
Passed away. And I hand my father's business is
Okay, I took the
I
command
took the-
of
I took
my
the-
father's
I
business.
took the command
Of my
of
father's
my
business.
father's business. One day I am sitting.
I
I was sitting in my office. My uncle came to me and asked me, your mother called. This business is in Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
I am in Dubai.
I was in Dubai.
I was in Dubai, and my uncle told me, your mother is calling for your marriage.
Okay.
My uncle.
How old were you at
19,
that?
19.
How old are you?
20.
Not good, huh? So father should think about their children. You were 19 and he's 21. Okay. And
And
then?
he told me, your mother told me for your marriage.
Okay.
He want to done rishta karna hai.
All right. They are looking for a match for you,
Yeah,
or
looking
they are
match.
arranging for your engagement.
Engagement. And she have one.
She had a lady
She had one rishta.
match.
She have a match.
Yeah.
She's the daughter of my uncle. My
She was the
my
daughter.
uncle's daughter.
Yeah.
I am very happy.
I was very.
I was very happy.
I can feel that.
feel
Okay,
that.
your happiness. Okay.
Because I not it's a blast for me.
All right. It was not a blast for you.
Because,
You wanted to,
Wanted
huh? Okay. Already wanted to
I
marry
wanted to
her,
marry.
and I was very happy.
I
Okay.
didn't ask anybody because
Okay.
she asked. My mother asked.
Okay.
asked
Mashallah.
me.
Good. So then you got married.
You got
happily,
married,
mashallah.
and alhamdulillah.
Good. Very good. Very good. That was the first marriage you did.
Yes, first and last.
Last, exactly. Okay.
Full stop.
Yeah, one of my friends, I went to attend his son's wedding, and I went with my wife, and then he came in and he said, meet my first wife. And then my wife was asking me, does he have two wives? I said, no, first one only, first and last. Yeah. So, your turn, please. What's the blast from your past?
Camera,
Yeah? Now we are on camera. Okay.
Last.
Yeah. Don't worry.
For camera only.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Good.
So,
No, this is good where you wanted to marry and your parents arranged everything for you. So you were lucky, huh? Good.
So I need to ask one question.
Please go ahead.
Actually, why we used have to for past? when
Okay,
are-
we don't use have to. We use had to. Had.
because
H-A-D.
Because I used had to, and the correction was have to.
No, it depends actually. If you're referring to something in the past,
Yes.
then you will use had to. Otherwise, if you're narrating something, like, direct narration and indirect narration. So if it is the direct narration, then we don't change the tense. If it is indirect, then we change the tense. Right? Yeah.
Okay. So, a blast from the past.
Okay. Let's see what is your blast.
Although it was a small blast, but
It was small cracker, huh?
yes, but,
Match
but
cracker.
it was a blast for me.
Okay.
When I was in Turkey, and I had to travel Izmir. And
Okay, Izmir, yeah.
I booked my ticket from a walk-in ticketing counter, and the ticket was only 90 lira. It was a good blast for me that no one can buy a ticket from anywhere.
No one could buy a ticket from anywhere.
in such a small price, because before that time I have a thought that
I had thought
that or I observed that we can buy the cheapest ticket in US.
Okay.
In US you can buy a ticket in $80 or $90.
all right. Air tickets.
Yes, air tickets. Air travel in US and UK is
Very
quite
economical.
cheap, and you can use airline like bus,
Okay.
and airports are like bus addas.
Bus does, all right.
So I took my flight from Istanbul to Izmir.
Izmir.
When I landed there, I need to go.
I needed to go. I had to go.
A small town nearby Izmir. It's like that Lahore to Kalashakaku.
Okay.
It is almost the same distance. And I took taxi to go there. It was a beautiful travel because the road was along with the beach.
Along the
and
beach,
Along the
yeah.
beach, you can say it's a coastal highway.
It was a coastal highway.
It was a coastal highway, and I enjoyed the travel because it was a hilly area. And when I reached there, my host was there to receive me, and when I asked from the taxi driver about the fare, he told me the fare is 285 lira.
Wow.
And the air ticket was 90 lira.
90 liras only. Okay. So you should have asked the taxi driver before. Or they have the meter, I think.
Yeah, actually, they have the meter, so they cannot say before. the
280
travel.
liras for taxi
285
and
lira
90 liras for air
ticket.
travel. You should have said कि जहाज ही यहाँ पे उतार देता. Okay. Okay. All right. That's interesting. Very nice. Please, you.
Well, there are very special moments for me, but here I would like to talk about a good day when our school arranged to go a cinema for watching
Yeah. Our school arranged a trip to cinema.
to cinema. Our school arranged a trip to cinema for watching a movie.
Okay.
So we at 8 p. At 8 o'clock we left the school and go for
We left the school and went for.
went for cinema for watching a movie. So the characters of movie is my favorite.
The characters in the movie were my favorite.
were my favorite. So we watched a movie. This is very good moment for a good day for me.
This was a great day
Great
for me.
and memorable day for me.
This was a great and memorable day for me.
It's a great and memorable day for me because I watched the movie and enjoyed with my friends, and we take photographs and videos, which is also memorable in the future.
Okay, which will be memorable in the future. All right, that's great. Thank you very much.